Hi children, welcome back to online learning class of SPPS Ilkal. Dear children, we have completed our first unit in the previous classes. I hope you have written all about unit first notes in English notebook. So today we will learn grammar topic, that is question tags, which has given in your course book after unit first. So today in this session we are going to learn about rules of question tags, uses of question tags, examples of question tags. So before we start this topic, let us recall a few grammar aspects which we have learnt in the 4th standard. Do you know these? To be verbs, to do verbs, to have verbs, auxiliary verbs, modals, subject pronouns, object pronouns. Yes. So let us glance them one by one. So here, look at here. So first, to be verbs. Here you can see is, are, was, etc. means is, am, are, was, were, be, been, being. These are called to be verbs. And next one, to do. To do verbs are only 3. Do, does, did. And next, to have verbs. Has, have, had. So we use these as helping verb. Helping verb means the verb that comes before the main verb is called helping verb. So next topic, modals. May, might, will, would, can, could, ought to, must. These are all called modals. And next, pronouns. So children, do you know how many kinds of pronouns? Yes, 8 kinds of pronouns, and in 4th standard you learnt first kind of pronouns, that is personal pronouns. There are 2 sets of personal pronouns, that is subject pronouns and object pronouns. You can see the list of subject pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. And object pronouns, me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Is it clear, students? So, why should we remind these? Because without these we can't make question tag. Question tag is formed by an auxiliary verbs, to be verbs, to do verbs, modals, etc. So after this comes the subject pronouns. You can see here subject pronouns. Okay. So let us see the rules and uses of question tags. Question tags. A question tag is a short question at the end of a statement. For example, you are a student. Aren't you? Here aren't you is a question tag. So in general, question tags are used when asking for agreement or confirmation. We use them asking for agreement or question tag confirmation. First one, rules. A positive statement is followed by negative question tag. Look at here. For example, you are a student. Are is a positive to be verbs and question tag will be aren't, negative question tag, and the subject pronoun as it is same. Is it? So second one, rules. A negative statement is followed by a positive question tag. For example, Mary isn't a teacher. Isn't here negative statement, that is followed positive question tag is, and Mary is a proper noun Instead of that, we use subject pronoun. She is she. So here two rules are cleared. Is it clear, students? Now let us look at more examples of first rule. First rule of question tag. More examples. Here 4 examples are given. Read them. You are a student. These are all positive statements. So the question tag will be negative. So first one, can you guess? You are a student. He is very busy. She was happy. They were surprised. Very easy to identify them. So first one, yes, aren't you? Second one, he is, isn't he? Third one, she was, wasn't she? They were, weren't they? Very good. So now be careful, children. There is an exception. For example, I am late. Am is to be verb. When the subject followed by am in the positive statement, the question tag will be irregular. We have to use are and I. We do not use am here. Be careful, children, about this. Now look at the examples using question tag with auxiliary verbs or helping verbs and also modals. So can we guess them? What is the question tag for each one? First you read the sentences, statements. You have studied all week. Haven't you? Because these are all positive statements. Second one, you had, hadn't you? You will, won't you? You can, can't you? You could, couldn't you? We must, mustn't you? Mustn't we? You should go now, shouldn't you? You would, wouldn't you? So let us see more examples. Here, can we see to be verbs in this sentence? To do verbs? No. So these are simple tenses, simple present tense. So when the simple present tense, we should form question tag with a don't, doesn't. When doesn't? When the subject third person. You speak English, don't you? He is a third person singular. He speaks Spanish, doesn't he? Then the simple past tense, didn't. We use didn't in question tag. She studied for the test, didn't she? Let us see more examples. They need a dictionary. John lived in Japan. Mary wants a new car. So first one, simple present tense. They need a dictionary, don't they? Next, simple past tense, didn't he? Next, third person singular, simple. And next, we should learn negative statements. When they appear negative statements, the question tag will be positive. So look at the examples. Can you guess the positive question tag? You aren't a teacher. You aren't a teacher. He isn't crazy. She wasn't relaxed. They weren't late. So first one, tell me the first one positive question tag. Very easy. Are you? You aren't, are you? He isn't, is he? She wasn't, was she? They weren't, were they? So here more examples. Look at the examples and tell me the positive question tag. First one, you haven't. Have you? You hadn't done it before then, had you? You won't fail the exam, will you? You can't drive a car, can you? You couldn't do it for me, could you? You mustn't, we mustn't say anything, must we? You shouldn't be so busy, should you? You wouldn't stop me, would you? Yes. So here more examples. Look at the examples. These are also very easy. You don't speak French, do you? Is it? Is it right? Do you? Yes. Next, she doesn't speak English. Does she? He didn't study for the test. Did he? Okay, children. Now here the statements. Statements are using negative words such as barely, hardly, neither, no, nobody, none, nothing, seldom are treated as negative statements. So if these appear in the statements, the question tag must be positive. For example, nobody went to the meeting. Here nobody is a negative, so statements will be negative. The question tag will be positive. Did they? Went, it is a simple past tense verb. So did they? Next, nothing is ready, is it? Is it clear, students? Now here be careful with following these question tags. I am early, aren't I? Next, second one, let's go to the beach, shall we? So children, when the statement begins let's, the question tag is shall we? There aren't any spiders, are they? This is Paul's pen, isn't it? So next one, don't forget, will you? So I hope it is very clear to you this grammar topic. Is it students? Yes. So now this is your homework. Write the rules of question tags and examples in English notebook one time, which are given in this video. Is it clear, students? Homework? Yes. Now if you have any doubts, you can call or text me. Okay. So we will back with a new lesson. Till then, goodbye, good luck my dear students. See you again. Thank you for watching the video.